On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided so they sprinkled the moon dust in your hair. That is why all the dogs follow you. Just like me, they long to be close to you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Oh, rah, 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 rah. And what's that all about? That's because you like the Carpenters. Do you like Blake Shelton? Do you like Blake Shelton? Say, I love Blake Shelton. Say, I love Blake Shelton. No, say, I love Blake Shelton. Say, Blake Shelton. Say, I love Blake Shelton. I love you. Do you like Adam? Do you love Blake Shelton? I love Blake Shelton. You really, really, really do? Say, I really, 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 really love Blake Shelton. Booga booga. You too.